or I have a shortcut for you, and it's so much quicker. 3, 7, 0, 1, 7, 8. And then we just come down and hit next. I forgot to jailbreak our Fire Stick. You don't jailbreak Fire Sticks. Come on. You change an option. Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for sports on your Amazon Fire TV Stick on apps you've never seen before on the Amazon App Store for free? Follow along. I'll show you how. Oh, I didn't jailbreak my Fire Stick. You don't jailbreak Fire Sticks. I know. This is what you do instead. So the first thing we need to do, come over to the find icon, pull down, and in search, we're just going to type in a D on the keyboard here, and downloader comes right up, so we can just highlight it. If downloader doesn't come up on your device, try a restart. So unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in, see if that helps. If it still doesn't do it, most likely you may have a Fire Stick Select, which this will not work. This is downloader, click on it, download it, install it onto your device. So here it says I already own it, so I click on that and it puts it right into the queue and gets it downloaded. Before we open the app, hit the home button on your remote. Head all the way down to the settings icon at the very end, pull down. And here I have my Fire TV listed. If yours is an older device, it might be down here and it might say my device. Click on that. I have developer options listed. If you don't worry. Highlight about and click. And here mine says Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or something different. If we just use the select button on our remote and click it about 7 to 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here it comes up, no need, you're now a developer, congratulations. Welcome to developer options. Back out 1. Developer options should be here listed. Again, if it's not, unplug your device, plug it back in. This will work with all Android devices, by the way. So let's come down to developer options, highlight it, select it. ADB debugging, turn it on. Come down to install unknown app, select, and then downloaders there and turn that on. Now, if we forget this entire step, I'll show you what happens when you actually don't do this. So I'm going to leave it off, all right? And then back out, no funny tricks, no funny business here. Let's look for downloader. The 3 squares plus sign, this is our apps and games section. And the last app we've downloaded will end up at the bottom of our list. So we'll come down, highlight the app. We use our 3-line button on our remote and it brings up this sub menu. So we can move it, move to the front, more info, offload, or uninstall. So I'm just going to highlight move to the front and I'll put it right up here. This is our shortcuts menu on the main screen. So this will just put it right to the front of our shortcuts menu. So when we go to the home screen or our main screen, it's right there for us to use. So let's click on downloader. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Now downloader has this little cursor, a little red circle. So it acts just like a mouse in our remote. So right, down, left, up, center button is the select button. Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or I have a shortcut for you, and it's so much quicker. So let's use the little red circle, push up, it highlights downloader. We're going to go here to where it says, click to enter URL, shortcode, or short term, or search term. So just select that, and it should bring up a keyboard. Here we go, and here is our shortcode. 3, 7, 0, 1, 7, 8. And then we just come down and hit next. And this will redirect straight to the Led by the Unknown's webpage, to the download section to get these great apps for you. Once the 5-second redirect is over, make sure you're on the page and the page is loaded. Use the 3-line button on our remote and it comes up with another menu. And here we can add current page to the favorites. So anytime you want to come to the page to get more great apps, don't forget to push save. Once you come to the page, once you want to come back here and get more great apps, use the 3-line button on your remote, click favorites, and there's downloads for the website. Please guys, check out the videos that are also on this page, and the tutorials will help you out dramatically. Let's head down. Guys, I always suggest get yourself a nice reliable VPN. Get out your phone. This is now on your TV. Scan this QR code. Get yourself 80% off IPVanish today. Secure your online activity. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it secures all your devices. Whether it's a phone, an Android device, an Apple device, a laptop, tablets, you name it. If you need Wi-Fi and you want secure Wi-Fi, get yourself a VPN. So our apps today. Wait to the very end if you want to learn more about Kodi. Sports, and more sports. Select. Downloads the file. I forgot to jailbreak our Fire Stick. You don't jailbreak Fire Sticks. Come on. You change an option. Highlight settings. Select it. Install unknown apps. Select it. Downloader. Turn it on. The device does it for us. It's not jailbreaking. It's nothing fancy. We just change an option. Back out. Back out. And here, we now click install. Down the bottom right, install. Once it's done, highlight done and click on it. Now delete the installation file and confirm the delete. This is to make sure that the apps are no longer on our device. The installation apps or the installation files are no longer on our device. Now, it's back better than ever. This is a little different than the other download. There's a little countdown for this. If we just pull down a little bit, this is the file we want to download. Highlight the little white download arrow and select on it. And it downloads. Guys, if there's any issues with any of the files, please let me know and I can update it as soon as possible. All right, once it's downloaded, it stages the app. Down in the bottom right corner, click install. Installs the app, and once it's done installing the app, down in the bottom right corner, highlight done, select it. And again, delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now here you got to kind of be 1, 2 backs, 3 backs. Then it comes back to the website. And you'll have to go down, unfortunately. And we can come down. So we got 2 great apps. Movies and TV shows. Multiple languages. More sports. So we're on the sports journey today. Again, bring this down. It has a little countdown. Wait until it starts back up. Bring this up. This add in here kind of gets in the way. So highlight the little download arrow. Give it a moment. And it starts downloading it again to your device. Please check out all the other great applications available for you. Movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. Install. Then we can highlight done. And again, delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. 3 backups. gets you back to the page. Let's find these great apps on our device. 3 squares plus sign. And again, the last apps we downloaded end up at the very bottom. So we can always 3-line button, move it. See, that kind of works for the move. Same with this 3-line button, move, 3-line button, move. Of course, guys, get ourselves our nice reliable VPN. Check out the link in the description below to set yourself up. Let's open IP. So you can automatically just have it connect right on startup to maybe your closest location or your most previous location. So I had it on Buffalo last. Here we can use the little map icon. We can go by my favorites that I've already highlighted. We can go by countries, or we can go by cities. So you can select down a city, like Boston, for instance. You can click on Boston. Gives you the option to connect, favorite it, or view the different servers for Boston. There is also a little settings icon here. Auto connect on startup. So as soon as you turn on your device, it'll automatically connect. With split tunning, you can turn that on and off. If you want to see how that works, just manage apps. We can come down to highlight user apps. Then it'll give us a list of all the apps that are on our device. So for instance, I live in Canada. My kids love Netflix. So if I have the device pointing outside of Canada, I can just have Netflix selected on, and it'll keep Netflix in Canada for me. All right. We can back out of there. We got some shortcuts, threat protect and kill switch. If you want to make sure your device is always connected to the VPN and IPVanish decides to, for some reason, stop working, the kill switch will disable all internet to your device. A little safety precaution there. It'll do the same as if it was on your cell phone or somewhere where you want to make sure your connection's always secure. You don't have any kind of third parties trying to get into your devices. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips, and tricks and how-tos. Follow along. Check out my other videos. I hope there's something in here that you enjoy. Take care, peace, and happy streaming. Now, if you're still here and you want to check out Cody, follow this video or continue watching and follow along. And here we can open up Cody. We'll hit continue. Allow to access photos, media, files on our device. Okay. Here we have Cody. Come up, hit the settings icon. Hit system, add-ons. Slide over, come down to unknown sources, turn that on and say yes. Back out. We're going to go to File Manager. Add a source. Highlight the field and we get a keyboard. And in this keyboard, we're going to type in a URL. HTTP. We need a colon. Right now we have a semicolon, so we have to come down here to the shift and we get a colon, so colon // and here's a new digs. And then once you have it all written in, just head over and click OK. If you get some kind of connection error after this, that means you didn't type it in properly. Here there's a name for it, so remember that and click OK. We'll back out, hit add-ons, come down to zip. Look for the file that it was named, so digs, and the zip. Wait a few minutes. There, it's installed. Now from the repository, select dig. And here we'll go down to program adds. We have Chef Wizard. It used to say Chef Omega. It doesn't say Omega anymore. It no longer doesn't auto install. We have to manually do this. So we can click on it, install. Wait for a little bit. There is a counter meter here for the percentage that has been installed. So it's at 0, then it'll go to 33, and then it's done. So it says it's installed. So we just select it one more time, and down here now it says open. So we can click open. Cody gives us some options here. So use the build. And we can try the first one. Say continue. Here, getting everything good to go. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for following along. I hope these tutorials help out you greatly. I know some of these videos may seem repetitive. They are. 95% of my viewers are brand new, have never seen a video. So if you've seen this one multiple times, I really thank you. I'm updating the store constantly. There's forever changes going on with the Amazon Fire TV sticks. We're staying on top for you, okay? This old Cody setup, yes, I know, it's a little mundane. It's a little pain in the ass to go around. But trust me, it's the one thing that's staying. Now that it's done all that, it will ask you to force close so we can say, okay. So remember, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick tips, tricks, and how-tos. Please follow along. This is just a demo for you guys to understand how to do this yourself. All right, thank you. Take care. Peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick tips, tricks, and how-tos.